And in the future, we don't need horses. We have motorized carriages called automobiles.
If everybody's got one of these does anybody walk or run anymore?
Of course we run, but for recreation, for fun.
Run for fun? What the hell kind of fun is that?
How much has he had?
None. That's the first one. He hadn't touched it yet. He just likes to hold it.
Doc! Doc! What are you doing?
I've lost her, Marty. There's nothing left for me here.
All right, that's why you gotta come back with me.
Where?
Back to the future.
Right. Let's get going.
Great.
Gentlemen, excuse me, but my friend and I have to catch a train.
Here's to you, blacksmith!
And to the future.
Amen. Amen.
Hammett, no! Come on, Doc. Wake up. Wake up, Doc. How many do you have?
Just the one.
Just the one? Come on, Doc.
There's a fella that can't hold his liquor.
Get me some coffee. Black.
Joey, coffee!
Ma'am,
How far does the 8 o'clock train go?
San Francisco is the end of the line.
I'll take a one-way ticket.
You want to sober him up in a hurry, son, you're gonna have to use something a lot stronger than coffee.
Yeah, what do you suggest?
Joey! Let's make some wake-up juice.
Come on, Doc.
In about 10 minutes, he's gonna be as sober as a priest on Sunday.
10 minutes. Why do we have to cut these things so damn close?
Here, stick this clothespin on his nose. And when he opens up his mouth, go ahead and pour it on down his gullet. Oh, and stand back.
He's still out!
Oh, that was just a reflex action.
It's gonna take a few more minutes for the stuff to really clear up his head.
Perfect.